We are assembling the Leprechaun Easel card. Now I have already applied the lining to the inside of my base. And then you want to just fold your card in half. This is an A2. You have a score line here on the bottom that you want to fold under. And then this frame here, I want to add some foam tape. And then line this up close to the bottom here, just like this. Okay, and that is a stopper for the top. Now we're going to start with the rainbow. I'm still looking for some missing pieces from another. You'll notice mine has a notch here, and my paper just wasn't quite big enough when I cut this out, so this notch will not be in yours unless you do what I did. But it doesn't matter because that will be covered by the grass. So you start with the next biggest piece and you just line it up edge to edge and just work your way down. All right, so there's our rainbow, and our grass glues right over it. But I think I'm going to pop this up. Okay, now we're going to put together our leprechaun. And put his hair on first. And I think I want to use foam tape for this part. There we are. Put on his hat. Add the little buckle. And I think I'm also going to pop up his mustache. just putting a little dab of glue here on these edges for his hands to glue on. And glue his shoes on. And I'm going to use a little foam dot for his clover. And there he is. He's adorable. And we're going to put him here in the grass. Going to put a little bit of glue here on the bottom part because the grass is popped up and I've run out of foam tape to put behind his head. There we go. Then we're going to glue this right to the bottom of the front of the card. So this is just going to line up side to side and top to bottom. And that is the Leprechaun Easel card. Thank you for joining me.